Morning, boss.
Hey, is the new model ready?
Just look here. I've never seen anything like this. This new model can forecast the net energy load with a delta coverage of 1.14 and a pinball score of 3.
What does it even mean? You know I'm not an engineer.
The delta coverage measures how closely the actual observed values fall within the predicted confidence intervals, indicating the reliability of the probabilistic forecasts. In other words, we will have extremely accurate forecasts of the energy load for the next 24 hours.
So the smaller the delta coverage, the greater the profits for us. Am I right?
You got it. I can see a big bonus coming for us.
Haha, we got him! We have access to his computer and his model.
Let me see his model. So the model consists of a bidirectional parallel LSTM neural network, and it's written on Keras. There are 10 initial parallel layers divided into two groups. Each group is then concatenated to two additional layers with 64 neurons each. The output of these two blocks are concatenated together and passed through a last bidirectional LSTM layer, this time with 128 neurons. Finally, there is the output layer, where for each hour are predicted the parameters of the Johnson acidity distribution that best fits the data.
Nice! I like bidirectional long short-term memory layers. They can capture the temporal dependencies in the data since they process the sequences both from start to end and from end to start. Moreover, the parallel setting grants robustness and higher performance. Now what are we doing with all this information?
It's time to test it and see if it is actually good, and then we sell it. But first let's mess with their databases, so that we are the only ones with this wonderful model. Done. Now it's all ours.
Yes!
Okay.
What are those predictions?
Wait, what? That's impossible. Someone must have stolen my
We lost
model.
millions
No.
because of this, okay? You're fired.
Let's...
Who's this? Who's talking?
That's not important, but listen, your company is about to go bankrupt. It seems your electricity load forecast model is not working. I have a model that performs perfectly. If you are interested, meet me tonight in the parking lot.
So this is the model. As you can see, the learning rate adapts itself based on how much it is improving. You have to calibrate the model from scratch only once the first day, and from the second day the weights are restored, so that all FM tuning with the new data will be performed. Just remember to set the restore weights to true, and the model will restore the weights obtained in the previous day. This way you won't have to do the whole recalibration from scratch every day.
Did you test this model?
Of course, we tested it on the wall 2019, and we obtained a delta coverage of 1.14 and a pinball of 3.